Greetings, Felix Fortuna, just a caveman living in a modern cave. And as caveman, we notice patterns in the night sky. And as the song goes, I have written shooting stars, and I can show you how. This next information is going to be from ORACC, CAM/GCAB. This is an important site for all the Babylonian translated cuneiform tablets. Not all of them, I guess. But we are looking at the Mul Apin 1. The Mul Apin 1, here is the reference numbers. And it starts off with the plow, Enlil, leader of the stars of Enlil. The wolf, seed funnel of the plow. The old man, Emersara. The crook, Gamlu. The great twins, Lugal-Ira and Meslemtaya. The small twins, Alamas and Nin-Ezengud. The crab, Anu's dwelling. The lion, Laturak. The stars that stand in the lion's breast, the king. The twinkling stars which stand in the lion's tail, the date Spadix of the frond, Zarparnitu. The Supa constellation. Means shepherd. Enlil, who fixes the fate of the land. The star which stands in front of it, the abundant, Ninlil's minister. The star which stands behind it, dignity, Tispak's minister. The wagon, Ninlil, the stars which stands in the wagon's shaft. The fox, Era, strongest of the gods. The star which stands in front of the wagon. The ewe, Aya, the hitched yoke. Great Anu of heaven, the wagon of heaven. Damkiana, the star which stands in its knot. The heir of the Ima temple, the foremost son of Anu. The standing gods of the Iku temple, the sitting gods of the Ikur temple. The goat, Gu-La. The star which stands in front of the goat, the dog, the brightest star in the goat, Lamasu, Baba's minister. The two stars which stand behind it, Nin Sakur and Eragal, the leopard, Nergal, the star which stands in its right, the pig, Damu, the stars which stands on its left, the horse. The star which stands behind it, the stag, the star's minister. The twinkling stars which stand in the stag's chest, the vole, the rainbow. The bright red star which stands in the stag's kidney, the obliterator. When the stars of Enlil have been assembled, the great star, its light dim, divides heaven and stands there. Marduk star, the fairy. Jupiter keeps changing its position and crosses heaven. These are the 33 stars of Enlil. Thank you. And as we know here, Jupiter keeps changing its position and crosses heaven. And again, the Mul Apin 1 starts with the Mul Apin, Enlil. The plow, Enlil, leader of the stars of Enlil. Thank you for paying attention, and look this stuff up yourself.